Coordinating Committee on the Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has asserted that lasting resolution to the ongoing unrest in Manipur can only be achieved once armed cadres operating outside the law in the held areas, both under the suspension of operations and non-sue factions, are brought under strict control. The statement issued by convener of IPR subcommittee strongly condemning the alleged high-handed actions by security forces against a public demonstration at Namdilong yesterday. The public had gathered to demand justice for the brutal killing of 6 Naga individuals. According to the release, several civilians were injured due to the excessive use of force by security personnel during the protests. Among the injured was the spouse of one of the 6 deceased victims. 4 individually critically injured in the incident are currently undergoing a medical treatment at Jennings Hospital. Cocomi also expressed strong disapproval over the police handling of 4 detained protesters who were released late at night. Highlighting the fundamental duties of the state, the committee stated that safeguarding the lives and properties of ordinary citizens is the paramount responsibility of a democratic government. It noted that the public protests naturally arise when authorities fail to execute their constitutional duties effectively. It added that citizens will not have taken to the streets had the administration acted decisively. Cocomi further criticized elected representatives, pointing out that many appeared unable to rise above their respective assembly constituencies and narrow political interests to address broader state welfare. Warning that history will judge such actions, the committee issued an urgent appeal to all the political figures and parties to set aside partisan interests and work collectively towards an immediate resolution of the crisis.